Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for curry tofu with vegetables. This is going to be super delicious and so filling. So to start this recipe we're going to start off by frying our tofu. You want to cut your tofu up into small blocks and you're going to fry it on a high heat because you want to give it a really nice brown color on the outside. And once it's nice and brown or to the color that you would like, you're going to go ahead and take it out of the oil and drain it and set it aside. This tofu I was working with took really long to get brown. So in a big skillet, add in about 2 tablespoons of oil and you're going to allow that oil to heat up on a medium heat. Next, we're going to add in some methi or some fenugreek seeds. This is going to add so much homeliness and so much earthiness to the recipe. In goes some cumin seeds next. And we're going to allow those to toast until they turn a dark brown in color. Next, go in with onions once they're dark and saute the onions until just tender. Now go in with minced garlic and pimento peppers, and if you wanted to add some scotch bonnet peppers, of course you can if you're making it spicy. Next I'm going to go in with some chopped scallions and celery and saute everything until tender and fragrant. Now to add the curry powder. So I'm going to add in my curry powder. And when you're adding in your curry powder, you want your heat to be on a low, and you're going to toast that curry powder on that low heat until it feels grainy. So it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, after which you'll go in with water to cook that curry powder now. This water is going to cook the curry and it's going to turn into a thick paste. So you can see how it's drying down, and as it turns into a thick paste, you'll see the oils start separating like here. And then you'll go in with your potatoes, your carrots, sweet peppers, some chopped corn, and give that a mix. Now if you wanted to add mushrooms or any other type of veggies like broccoli or cauliflower in here, feel free to. This is very versatile, so you can mix and match your veggies. Now add in your tofu and give that a mix. You want this to fry up for about 5 minutes in here. Now it's time to add in enough water to cover the veggies to help this cook. So now I'm going to add in my salt, which I forgot to add. And green seasoning goes in now, and give that a good mix to bring everything together. And you're going to allow this to cook until the potatoes are tender and the sauce has reduced. To finish, I'm going to add in some coconut milk powder just at the end, like 5 minutes before it's done. It's going to help maintain the taste of the coconut milk and give you a really rich, luxurious creaminess at the end of the recipe. So just give that a mix it in properly. You see how the liquid has reduced. If you wanted it with more liquid, of course you can add some water. Garnish with some freshly chopped parsley, mix that in, and then this is ready to be served. Make sure and taste and adjust your salt accordingly. And then I'm serving it on a bed of white rice. Very easy to put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment, and let me know. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.